as you're probably aware, we've got a pullback day from the overall cryptocurrency market. So we are down, as of the recording of this video, about 4.5%, and not overly surprising to see this happen. We've had 3 or 4 days of pretty good move up, green candle days overall. And we saw Bitcoin itself in the last 24 hours touch 24,200, which again is a really nice move up for that. And we saw Ethereum touch 1,600 plus. Okay, now where do we go from here, and kind of what are some factors that are impacting this? I think that fundamentally this move down is directly related to the Federal Reserve meeting that we have coming up in approximately 5 days. So the Fed is going to be meeting on the July 26th to basically raise the base interest rate or not. We are expecting a raise, and we're expecting a 75 basis points raise. Now, this is all directly, again, the Fed meeting is in relationship to the CPI data report we got last week. So the CPI data report is the inflation report. It was not a good report. It was up over 1+%, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. And so this, I think, fundamentally what you see going on in the market here is people taking profit off the table, people moving money around, and I think you're starting to see kind of the fear around what is the Fed going to do. Now, on a positive note, looking at the fear and greed index, we've moved up from a 31 yesterday, right here, to a 34 today. So we are squarely out of the extreme fear range that we were in for the last 2+ months. I'm taking this as a positive, quite frankly. And so it would seem, per this index, that the overall attitude and consensus that retail investors like you and I, our sentiment and the opinions we're sharing across social media is turning more positive, away from the extreme fear range. So I expect us to kind of languish, if you will, in this particular range for a little while. And pretty much every major altcoin is down. So if you look at the last 24 hours, the number out of the top 100, the only thing that's green is Monero. That's it. Everything else is down. Okay, so that's what you're seeing there. Interestingly enough. Okay, so the biggest loser, if you will, is Lido DAO, down 16+%, but it was on a 7-day pretty significant run there. So 7-day. Lido leads the charge there, but from an overall down perspective, you've got not a lot of significant mover downers. You get my point. I think it's just a flat day, if you will. Now, again, Bitcoin, Bitcoin and Ethereum moving down a little bit, in the last 24 hours, again, giving up some gains. I think you got some profit taking, but I think it's overriding what's going on in the overall market, waiting to see kind of what's going to happen over with the Federal Reserve. Okay, so that's what we got. I'll see you. Have a good one. As always, I'm always here. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thanks. See you. Bye.